Here we go, we're about to get on the interstate. So far, very good sound in the cabin. There's not a lot of wind noise coming in. I don't hear much from the engine. Probably the loudest noise I hear is gonna be just from the tires. But even with these awesome looking 20s on here, the ride is very smooth. And the vehicle's very controlled. It's not going all over the lane or anything like that. And the leather wrapped steering wheel just feels really good on my hands. And I disengaged the auto stop, so the engine is no longer running as I'm sitting here at this red light, which will definitely help save on gas. And I'm just gonna, it's really hot out here, so I'm just gonna cut the AC back on, and then that'll cut the car back on. Very good merging power or pickup power, whatever you want to call it. When I'm coasting and then I give the car gas, it's definitely ready for whatever I throw at it. And I really like how the gas pedal feels just when you're accelerating. You don't have to give it too much gas for it to pick up, and it's not touchy. It's just a perfect feel. And this is a longer vehicle. It's going to be around the length of, closer to a minivan. But I feel like I'm driving like an Equinox or even something smaller than that. That's just how nimble it feels. So coming down this back road doing 44, instant fuel economy is around 32 miles a gallon. And the ride is very controlled coming down this back road. Nothing too crazy. I'm not all over the road or anything like that. The car isn't bouncy, it's just gliding over the bumps. And for the most part, it's surprising how good this car drives. I figured it would drive pretty decently, but it's really, really comfortable. Especially with the perforated leather and the cooled seat. Even though it's 95 degrees outside, it feels really great in here, and the AC isn't even on full blast. It's really not even halfway. gonna give it one more little bit of throttle. But yeah, an overall great review of the 2020 Chevy Traverse Premier Redline Edition.